Eating bananas every day, especially in the morning, can offer numerous health benefits. Here are 9 reasons why you might want to add bananas to your daily breakfast routine. 1. Rich in nutrients, bananas are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, magnesium, and fiber, which support overall health. 2. Boosts energy. Bananas provide a quick source of energy thanks to their natural sugars glucose, fructose, and sucrose and carbohydrates, making them perfect for starting the day. 3. Improves digestion. The fiber in bananas, particularly pectin, helps improve digestion and promotes regular bowel movements, preventing constipation. 4. Supports heart health. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, reduces the risk of stroke, and supports heart function. 5. Aids in weight loss. Bananas can help you feel full for longer due to their fiber content, potentially reducing overall calorie intake and aiding in weight management. 6. Enhances mood. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that the body converts into serotonin, which can improve mood and help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. 7. Balances blood sugar levels. Bananas have a low to moderate glycemic index, meaning they can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, especially when paired with other healthy foods. 8. Promotes muscle recovery. The potassium in bananas aids in muscle function and recovery after workouts, reducing cramps and soreness. 9. Strengthens the immune system. The vitamin C and antioxidants in bananas help boost your immune system, making it easier to fend off infections. Incorporating bananas into your morning routine can be a simple and nutritious way to enhance your overall well-being.